Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you receive crypto using your Bitget wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to receive crypto, you just simply have to open your Bitget wallet application. And after opening the application, you just simply have to select this option of receive. Tap to receive, and after tapping into receive, you will just simply have to select the crypto network which you would like to receive. I'm tapping into USDT, and after that choose the variant, and now after doing this you will get this section. Now you just simply have to scan this QR code, or you can use this token or code right here in order to transfer USDT or receive USDT into your Bitget wallet. You just simply have to scan this from the device which you are using in order to send the crypto. Just simply do that and then send the crypto into this account. This way you can very easily receive crypto into your Bitget wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.